Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix wrong elevation and gradient spikes on GARMIN Edge 540. Let's start with the elevation issue. We can calibrate the elevation manually or using automatic tools. To do that, hold your finger down on the options key until we open the sidebar. On the sidebar, we have to open System, and in System, we're gonna have to find the Altimeter option. Once you find it, you will see Calibrate. Now let's select Calibrate. Here we can enter the elevation manually by selecting the first option and then entering the new calibration value. Or you can also use DAM, which is the Garmin's digital elevation model. It also requires GPS to find your elevation properly, or you can also use the GPS if you'd like to. So use one of these three options. If you don't want your device to automatically calibrate your elevation, you can also disable this function, or you can re-enable it to recalibrate your altimeter. And then the compass. The compass, Calibrate compass option is located 2 steps above altimeter. So just select it, then tap OK, and now you're gonna have to move your device like this until the calibration will be complete. Okay, and now lastly, let's restart our device by holding down the power key, selecting power button, pressing power button, and then short pressing it once again to restart our Garmin. Lastly, to make sure that these issues do not occur again, make sure that your device is updated to the latest software version. To make sure of that, we have to make sure that our Garmin is connected to our smartphone. And to update it, hold your finger down on the options key, go to System, then go to About, check for updates, and let your device first find an available Wi-Fi network, and then check for available updates. And if it finds some, then let it download and install them. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.